Stop copying my trading. So what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and in this video I wanted to explain exactly why I always say to not copy my trades. I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but we are one of the first people and we are one of the only people that trade live in the stock market every single day. I do this for my Learn Plan Profit group, and one of the questions that I always get asked is, can I copy your trades? Or by being able to watch you trade live, should I be copying your trades? And I want to keep this video super short and sweet and explaining to you why it's not in your best interest to copy someone in anything it is that you choose to pursue. Not even just day trading in the stock market, but in any market that you actually want to learn how to be successful in. So one of the things that I love to empower people to do is to understand the why, to understand the reason behind why someone is doing something. So when we get asked the question, can I copy what it is that you're doing? Again, let me give you a very simple example. If you were to be someone that still does not know how to tie their shoe, right? If I were to tie your shoe for you every single day, there's going to be a learning curve. You're not going to know exactly what it is that I'm doing. You just know that you can ask me and that I can do it for you, right? When it comes down to you then asking, can you teach me how to tie my shoe? Obviously, in the very beginning, asking someone to tie your shoe, there's an instant solution for it, right? But it's very not self-sufficient. So thinking about the longevity, if you are someone that wants to be independent and that can tie their shoes on their own, are you going to be asking someone to tie your shoes for you every single day? Or does it make more sense to, yeah, it is going to be a little bit more difficult in the beginning to understand how to tie a shoe, but over time and with practice, trial and error, it's only a matter of time for it to begin to make more sense to you, so then you can begin to do this on your own. That's the easiest kind of analogy that I can give you. If you are someone that wants to be successful, not just trading in the stock market, investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, starting your own business, in every aspect of life, it's not asking people, can you copy what it is that they're doing? Or can you tell me what to do? But it's actually dedicating time to practice what they are in a sense teaching, to practice what in a sense they are doing. And the way that I would approach this when it comes down to trading in the stock market and any of these creative markets is, when you're learning how to do something, you're going to be making mistakes, right? There's gonna be this trial and error period, but people just want to start something and want that monetary reward right away. And the stock market just doesn't work like that. Any creative market out there, there is no instant gratification. Yeah, you might get lucky from time to time, but do you understand exactly what it is that you do? So in this video, all I'm here to remind you, if you are someone that is struggling to make a profit in the stock market, if you are someone that is struggling to learn how to trade, if you are someone that is struggling to learn how to do anything, it just means that you need to dedicate a little bit more time to practice in the areas that you lack in the most. That simple. So when I get asked, how did I learn how to trade? I've made numerous videos explaining that I learned from trial and error. It was not someone mentoring me. It was not someone telling me what to do. I wasn't copying other people, but the reason that I can wake up every single morning, just like I did today, and make a profit is because I understand what it is that I need to do. Just like I understand how to tie my shoe, just like you do. But over time, as you're learning a series of different best practices from the people that you follow or from the people that you watch on YouTube, there is no perfect working system. And that's never the goal. The goal is never to be told what to do. It's the understanding that we're all wired in different ways and that it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time to practice everything that is that you are learning, and over time you will build your little treasure chest of best practices that you will call your own trading strategy. And every morning you can then wake up and understand what you should and should not do, and not wait to be told what to do. Think about it. So there's this quote that we love that says I will either win or I will learn. And again, if you actually think about it, when you're actually dedicating time to learn more about what it is that you're doing because you understand the longevity that you want to do this for a great period of time, it is worth to invest that time to be able to make those mistakes as you're learning, because at the end of the day, you can then actually understand how to win. So I really hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. Feel free to share it with someone that you think might need it. Again, if you guys want to stay connected and join our free investing group, that's going to be that first link down below. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group and would like to watch me trade live every single morning, that's going to be that second link down below. Feel free to comment down below any thoughts, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.